Anything?
Anything sweet will give you a hangover. Like you drink wine or anything. Like I'm 46 years old. I've been a drunk fuck since I've been 11.
Yeah.
So I know what I'm talking about.
Since you were how old?
Hey?
How old were you when you became a drunk fuck?
11. I went
11.
to my first AA meeting when I was 11 years old.
Right on.
And this old guy, he told me, I was 12 or 13, he said, he said, now one day you picked me up before work, and I said, fuck, am I hungover? He said, what were you drinking? I said, Ryan Coke. He said, get rid of the Coke.
What about cocaine?
I dealt that fucking all through the 80s in Calgary.
Yeah. Crazy.
But you know, anything you drink that's sweet will give you a hangover and a headache.
Hmm.
Like if you drink wine or coolers or any of that shit. But if you drink vodka and water, vodka and coffee, rye and coffee.
What about beer?
You never get a hangover. Oh, drink beer too. You'll never get a hangover. But as soon as you drink something that's got the sweetness to it, that's what gives you the fucking hangover.
How much cocaine have you done in your life?
Well, I dealt it from 83 to fucking 89 in Calgary. When the Olympics were on, fuck, I was making fucking $3,000 to $5,000 a day.
Did you do it?
How can you not do it?
Is that a serious question or whatever? No, I'm just kidding.
I was like this, but
Uh-oh. That's no good. But whatever. Hey, at least you don't have to do that much to get high.
you know what? I don't do it.
Oh.
I haven't done coke for
8 months?
I
Okay.
haven't done more. I haven't done
I thought you were doing morphine the other night.
I used to back.
Yeah.
But you know what?
Right on.
Because if I'm going to do it, it goes inward.
Yeah.
I get morphine.
Yeah, you like that shit? Oh, fuck.
100 milligrams of morphine. Crack. Just sit there. And then I kick it in. And then it's one of these.
Fuck, that's crazy shit. Hey, you ever get pins and needles? Every time, eh?
No, I quit doing that shit.
That's good.
My buddy died.
Yeah. That's bad, yeah.
We found him dead on the fucking kitchen floor 3 weeks later.
Oh.
Whoa, that's really. And that was.
Was he molding and shit?
Hey?
Was he molding? Was he molding? Like, did he get moldy from 3 weeks?
He got all fucking. His face was black. It was cool. No, and this fucking guy walked into his house as soon as we walked in. Like I worked for Serpro in Calgary many years ago.
Yeah.
I worked for Serpro. outside squat. Then we go in and see you lay your head on, right? We go in and clean it up, but it's a lot different when like it's right away.
Yeah.
But if somebody's been there for 3 weeks, look, you just fucking loaded.
That's rough. On a happier note, what do you think about the government?
Eh?
What do you think about the government?
Government sucks. They say hello, they're fucking lying. You know what? It's just like a female. They should have fucking females running the fucking world because as soon as the female says hello, she's fucking lying.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, you smell like a dead fish. I think I don't smell that. Old beer.
Yeah.